Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Intelligence in Siri when it's not speaking out responses. With Apple Intelligence rolling out new AI-powered features, Siri is becoming more advanced. But sometimes, these updates come with unexpected issues, like Siri not responding out loud. This can be frustrating, especially if you rely on Siri for hands-free assistance or accessibility features. To get started, go to the settings. After that, scroll all the way down and click on Siri. After that, what you're going to do is to click on Siri responses right here. And after that, click on Prefer Spoken Responses. And now, we're going to try it out. Hey Siri, what day is today?
It's Sunday, March 16th, 2025.
And then that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.